Poured-in-place rubber is a two-layer surface with a bottom layer of solid rubber and a top layer of rubber granules. It is durable for 10 to 15 years and low maintenance. Here are 4 ways to care for your poured-in-place rubber surfacing. Sweep or blow away dirt and sticks at least once a month to prevent damage that can reduce fall protection. Rinse monthly with a low-pressure hose, never with high pressure, to wash away grime and preserve the surface. Tackle stains with child-safe mild soap and a soft scrub brush. For more stubborn stains, use a 50-50 mixture of water and white vinegar. Let it soak on the stain for 15 minutes, then gently scrub with a soft brush. Heavy accessories can puncture your poured-in-place rubber surfacing. Add sturdy materials, like plywood, underneath tables, benches, and other heavy items to redistribute the weight. With a little effort, you can keep your playground safe and play-ready for years to come. If you have questions about your playground surfacing, reach out to our experts at kaplanco.com/playgrounds.